What's up, everybody? This your boy King Hussle, and yes, this is my new YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell. So whenever I drop new sauce, new lessons, new methods, and giveaways, you'll be the first one to be notified. You'll be the first one to know what's going on. And hey, you might be the first one to win something for free. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell on all the YouTube channels. Talking this from right here, King Hussle, King Hussle 2.0, King Hussle X1M, the Hussle family, King Hussle Crazy Reactions, and turn motivation into memes. Also, make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. All you gotta do is click the title of every video. Once you click the title of every video, at the bottom in the description, all my social media links will pop up. I got a lot of fake pages out here. I got a lot of people scamming people, acting like me on social media platforms. Instagram, Telegram, and YouTube. So please get a FaceTime verification call or a video to make sure you see this face. Make sure you're doing legit business and you're getting what you paid for, all right? And before we get anything started, this is all educational purposes only. I'm not telling anybody to do anything. So let's get this thing started. So another gem dropper, another credit dropper, another place where you can get some money. And here I'm gonna be talking, I told y'all I'm gonna be focusing more on business credit because at the end of the day, everybody on this channel wants to be successful. Everybody on this channel wants to make money. Everybody on this channel wants to be multi-millionaires, just not make $1 million. $1 million is nothing. Everybody wants to be multi-millionaires, entrepreneurs, businessmen, and women. So today I'm going to be showing you a place where you can get up to $25,000 in working capital. You can get $500,000 for a term loan and $6 million for a CRE loan. All right, so a lot of people don't understand you can get the most money on your business side. You can get the most money you ever seen with business credit. Now, people who understand business credit, they sometimes, how do I want to put this? Abuse the credit system. A lot of people who figure out how to use credit, they abuse it. And a lot of people who abuse the credit system, they do it under the CPN. Now, before we get into this biz credit, a lot of people have asked me what's going on with these CPNs and loans, right? And like I said, this is all educational purposes only. I'm not telling anybody to do anything, but this is real life. People are really using CPNs and getting loans and establishing new credit lines and making money. So it's people out there that are getting CPNs and they're building the credit up on it because they understand credit. They understand what to do to build credit. They understand that how credit works. And when you understand how credit works, you now have an understanding on how to build it and how to utilize it. So if you understand that, okay, you're going to get more money on your business side than your personal side when it comes to loans and funding, then okay, boom. So if somebody knows how to build their real credit and then leverage it towards their business credit, they're going to do the exact same thing on a CPN. And like I told you, a lot of you guys hear these celebrities filing bankruptcy and y'all automatically think, oh, they broke. No, it's the business finesse. What they're doing is they get, because like I said, every business is ran off loans. Every business out there that's ever been created that's running right now has gotten loans. When you sign these record labels, they get loans. When they sign you to a deal and they give you that money, that is an advance, aka a loan. So everything in the world that's generating money is based off a loan. So when that record label or that artist files bankruptcy for their record label, they're filing bankruptcy so they don't have to pay back that loan that they got. So they might still got that money from that loan, but what they do is they take the money out from that account that they had that loan attached to. Once they take the money out from that account, they put the money into a personal account or a different account, and then they file bankruptcy. Because once they go to check and see that the account has no money on there and they can't pay their employees or this and that, then they file bankruptcy. Once they file bankruptcy, they don't have to pay that money back. And like I said, it's the credit game. You can easily rebuild your credit. You can easily get bankruptcies and evictions and late payments off your credit, and that's all they're doing. So they're filing bankruptcy and they're rebuilding up their credit. And then let me give you guys another trick and give you guys another little stinger. When you see these record labels, let me give you guys a real big example of what I mean. Okay, you got the rapper Gucci Mane, right? And Gucci Mane has had several different variations of 1017. It's been 1017 Brick Squad, 1017 Brick Squad, 1017 Ice Gang, like 1017 different whatevers, right? And the reason for this, because when he signs these artists to this label and gives them money or whatever, he's getting a loan he's getting a business loan. So if he's getting a $5 million business loan, right? And he can sign 5 artists, right? At $500,000. That's that's $2.5 million right there, right? That he just signed five artists, right? So that means he just pocketed $2.5 million, right? Boom. All the money is going out the account. So now he has to start recouping, right? Once he doesn't start recouping, you file bankruptcy on that business because you can't pay back that money because you invested that money. Now the money's gone. You can't pay it back. You can't pay employees. Now you're filing bankruptcy on that 1017. Boom. Now that LLC is done. Boom. Now it's a new 1017. Have y'all ever noticed that? Why it's a Def Jam Island now and it's no longer just Def Jam? Y'all ever notice that? It's business. Once y'all learn the business, y'all will understand what's going on and how to do this. And this is how people are finessing the business world, the business credit, the business funds. And I'm not saying it's like a finesse, but it's really how you get funded for the things that you need, invest in, and be able to get more and build your credit. All right, so today we're going to be talking about Biz2Credit. All right, they're giving out small business funding up to $25,000. And like I said, you got to make sure your business track record is right. You got to make sure your business paper trail is right. You got to make sure your paper trail on personal and business side is together before you try to go sign up or apply for any of these type of loans. Because just because you got bad credit, just because you have an LLC, doesn't mean you're qualified to get these type of loans. You got to have a paper trail. They have to be able to, because they're going to look, they're going to see what your credit score is, how you're making your payments, what your business credit score is, what's the amount of debt that you got, can you afford it? All these type of things play a part into you getting these loans. So long as you got your business in order, long as you paying attention to what I'm saying, like if you're self-employed, run your money through the ADP payroll provider so you can start generating checks and direct deposits into your bank account so that these loans and lenders and these other companies can see that, and you won't have a problem with having your own bank statements and showing that you really have a job or really getting paid. So the sauce that I dropped and the info that I give you guys, please listen, please like interpret to what I'm saying so you can like apply it to your life and start getting approved, right? So without further ado, we're gonna start looking at Biz2Credit, small business funding, $25,000 working capital, term loans for $500,000, and CRE loans for larger loans to $6 million. All right, so without further ado, let's check them out. All right, so today we're going to be talking about Biz2Credit, small business funding, ready to fund what's next. All right, so apply in 4 minutes, decisions as fast as 24 hours, get funding as fast as 72 hours, and receive between $25,000 and $6 million. All right, so opportunities should come with options. Your business is unique. That's why we have the funding options that fit you, what you need, and match what you do. All right, so working capital. Fast funding for your business, all right, starts at $25,000. Paid back from your business receipts, often used for the business projects and expenses. Then they got the term loan, stability to grow revenue over time, right? So up to $500,000 paid back in up to 36 months. That's 3 years, often used for larger projects. And then they got the CRE loan, the larger loans secured by commercial real estate, all right? So $6 million, interest only up to 36 months, often used for major projects and acquisitions. So helping small businesses grow every day. So 20 plus thousand small businesses funded. More options for business owners up to $6 million. Amount starting at $25,000. Applies to some products only. So you can call and apply. Then they got your back. There's just some different people who got helped. Different lending, different funds. You know what I'm saying? So you got a business organized. You got your business together. You got everything that you need. Go check out Biz2Credit. They deal with bad credit too. So if your personal credit isn't too good, that's fine. Just make sure you got your good track record, get all your paperwork and documents, and you'll be approved. All right. So make sure you go check out Biz Loans. They're giving out $25,000 and up. Small business funding, bad credit accepted. Go apply today. All right. So without further ado, let's talk about Biz2Credit. All right, do you guys got it? Biz2Credit, they're giving out $25,000 to $6 million for qualified small businesses. All right, so make sure you got your paperwork in order. Make sure you got everything together, from websites to emails to phone numbers, register with the 401 National Directory, virtual addresses, LLCs, EIN numbers, Dun & Bradstreet's, Paydex score, Paynet score, nav accounts. Make sure you got all that. And I know it might sound like a lot, but it's really not, because it's just a couple clicks and just registering and getting everything in order. So, I mean, it's what it takes if you want to run a business. I mean, you just can't set up an LLC and be like, oh, give me $1 million of funding. No, people, y'all got to start realizing, like, life is real. Business is real. You want to be somebody that's out there, a real go-getter, a real business owner, entrepreneur. If you tired of somebody paying you and knowing what you're going to make for the rest of the time that you work for them, and you want to pay yourself because you can control, you want to pay yourself $500,000 a month, $100,000 a month, $1 million a month, you can control that. All you got to do is go make it happen. Anything is possible. And a lot of people don't understand that. A lot of people don't understand the concept of anything is possible, manifesting it and making it happen, all right? If you want to get your credit together, it's possible. All you got to do is say, you know what, I'm going to get my credit. You got to take the steps. So you're going to say, all right, I'm going to go get me an Experian account. I'm going to set it up so I'm going to pay with it out of my account. All right, boom. Now I know my credit score. So now I watched many of King Hussle videos. So now I know how to clean my credit. Boom, you start cleaning your credit. Now you know how to add trade lines. So now you're building your credit. Boom, without having major trade lines or major accounts. Boom, now you getting your credit, your personal credit together. Now you getting perks, and now you finding a way to start establishing money. Why? Because I showed you guys multiple ways how to start making all profit. You got to have a passion for something. You got to want to be able to do something. I know you see all y'all see everybody out there doing something to make a lot of money. Nobody's the same, but we all know a little bit about the same thing. So what can you do that the next person is doing that you know how to do or want to do, that you can make the exact same amount or even more? I told you guys about the 3 Ps, product, perception, and promotion. As long as you got a product, you can promote it and sell the perception that this is what the consumer wants and needs. They're going to buy it. And that's what anything in the world, that's what everything in life. The people who are real entrepreneurs, the people who are really multi-millionaires and billionaires, they have something to offer. And whatever they have to offer, the consumers want it and they come buy it. Easy as that. All right, so make sure y'all tapping in, man. We're going to start building our business credit. We're going to start getting our personal credit together to use it as a personal guarantor, and we're going to take off, man. We'll show y'all how to really become multi-millionaires, how to really invest, how to really be blessed, and live the life that you want to live, all right? So shout out to all my new subscribers, my old subscribers, my new supporters, old supporters, new fans, old fans, because without y'all, there'd be no me. Y'all motivate me, keep going. Y'all motivate me, keep dropping the sauce, and y'all motivate me, keep y'all entertained, all right? So shout out to y'all. Anybody out there that looking to get credit lessons, you want to clean and build your credit, it's going to be $600. I'm going to show you how to do that. But if you want me to do it for you, it's going to be $1,500. All right, so credit lessons, show you how to do it, $600. You want me to do it for you, $1,500. All right. Also, make sure I can get y'all limited gems, FaceTime 101s, $1,200. All right. The limited gems, y'all know what that is. It come with everything. How to CPNs, credit builder, credit, how to build your credit, clean your credit, how to make passive income, how to make thousands of dollars a day off social media. What else come with? Documents. Yeah, everything that you need to know. The method book. Just ways how to make money. I'm going to make sure you start making money. All right, so make sure y'all come get y'all limited gems. Also, make sure y'all come get y'all mentorships, $2,500. All right, it's all the limited gems. Plus, we're going to make YouTube channels together. We're gonna start making passive income together. We're gonna start making a lot of money doing a lot of different things together. All right, so if we making $10,000, you get 5, I get 5. We making 20, you get 10, I get 10. Easy as that. All right, and book your seat right now on the crypto tour. I'm invading Miami, South Beach, Miami, Florida. Tap in. All right, $3,500, $500 deposit. The rest of the money we meet in person. All right, 10 seats available. Miami, Florida. I'm invading South Beach. Meet me there March 26th through the 29th. Book your seat right now. We're going to make money together. We're going to have fun. We're going to run it up. I'm going to drop gems on y'all that I never drop on YouTube, in person. I'm telling y'all, I'm going to give y'all some DW gems, how to make sites, how to do everything that you need to know, documents, how to credit, everything that you need to know, all right? So make sure you tap it in. Come meet me in Miami, Memorial Day weekend, the 26th through the 29th. Crypto tour, $3,500, $500 deposit. The rest of the money we meet in person, all right? Still looking for people for the production company. Let's run it up. Got a lot of major funding coming up, so I got a lot of good investing going on. Make sure y'all ready. Still looking for rappers, actors, models, content creators, producers, and cameraman. All right, so music reviews is $200. You a rapper, a singer, or you do music, Tap in. You want me to check out your music? It's gonna be $200. You ain't got $200 to invest in yourself. Why should I invest $200,000 into your career? Make it make sense. All right. Also, models, any beautiful ladies out there in the world that's watching my videos, you ready to elevate, you ready to get your brand and platform out there, you ready to get your face out there, you ready to start making money, you ready to start learning how to invest and be blessed, you want to get your credit together, you want to get in all these music, you want to do music videos the right way, you want to do podcasts, blogs, travel, interviews, all that. Tap in. I'm gonna put you in all the right positions that you need to be. Just make sure you got a good attitude, a good head on your shoulders. You can't be corrected, you can't be directed. All right, I ain't got time for attitudes. I ain't got time for people to think they better than what they is, because nobody's better than nobody. But I know a little bit about a lot, and clearly I can make it make sense physically and literally. So make sure y'all tap in, man. Make sure y'all come get these gems. Any videographers out there that's real, cameraman, I mean, you go out there and you shoot the video, then you come home, you upload it, and you edit the video. Good masking, 4K better camera, good color grade, good FX effects, all that. Tap in with me. Let's work. Content equals views. Views equals money. The more content we put out, the more views we accumulate, which is the more money we'll make. Easy as that. No other way to put it. And we got a lot of content to produce and put out. All right, so putting this team together, this real consistent team, of people that I can consistently work and put content out with, and we all can get paid. So make sure y'all tapping in, man. Make sure y'all come to get y'all gems. Make sure y'all go run them followers up on my IGs, King Hussle X1M, and the real King Hussle X1M. Make sure y'all follow me on all my YouTubes, King Hussle X1M, King Hussle 2.0, the Hussle family, King Hussle Crazy Reactions, and Turn Motivation into Millions. Because when I drop this raffle, this giveaway video, and you ain't subscribed to none of the channels or got the all notification bell and you miss out, just like y'all missed out on that $5,000 I gave out on my Telegram, make sure y'all follow me on my Telegram. And once you write me on my Telegram, be ready to handle business, because I am very hard to work with. You can't just work with me. It's a privilege to be able to get the information and that y'all be wanting so bad, because a lot of y'all be getting scammed and all that good stuff like that. So please be serious and ready to handle business. When you contact me, please contact me in the format that I asked you guys to contact me, to be ready to order. So you getting unlimited gems. When you're ready, say unlimited gems under that 1,200, under that Cash App payment. If it's on your Cash App, send me a screenshot of your balance, because I am not going to talk to nobody that is not money ready to handle business. A lot of people write me on my DMs and don't get a response, and y'all be running around because y'all not talking about money. Y'all asking for handouts. Y'all be having your hand out. Nah, it don't work like that. All right, this is my business, my real business that I pay taxes on. So make it make sense. All right, so make sure y'all tap in, man. Make sure y'all come get y'all gems. Make sure y'all ready to work before y'all contact me, and I guarantee you I'm gonna lead you to success. All right, Financial Freedom University, come sign up. It's your boy King Hussle. Y'all know how I get down to any of these videos. I'll see you at the next. Peace.